What's up everybody, David Moss Jr. here, and I'm standing outside of Moss Nissan of Brooksville right here in Brooksville, Florida, and we are officially open. Come tomorrow morning, 7:30 for service, 8:30 for sales. Be one of our first customers. We look forward to seeing and serving this community. Come in and check it out. I know you're also noticing behind me, we have a lot of cars. Nissan sent us a ton of cars to get this store started, so we officially have one of the largest selections of new cars and quality pre-owned cars, bigger than any of the dealerships up and down this strip. We're open 7 days a week, and I look forward to meeting every single one of you. Let's check it out and let's have some fun. So we're located directly off the 589 and 50, right when you get off the exit. Take a right if you're coming from Tampa, and we are right here. Let's go check out the drive-in. Oh dear. What's that say? Now open. All right, guys, we're here, Moss Nissan of Brooksville. We're opening up tomorrow morning, 8:30 sharp. Guys, are we ready for this?
Yes, sir!
Hey, who are we?
Team Moss!
Who are we?
Team Moss!
Who are we?
Team Moss!
Yeah, let's go, baby. Woo!